One more bonus training video that I think you'll find helpful is the camera feature. It allows you to copy a range of cells and convert it into a picture format, which that picture in turn will be linked back to the selected range. So anytime you change one of those cells in that selected range, the picture will then in turn update with those changes. And you can see how useful that can be if you're building dashboards, reports, or charts. For example, if I have a chart over here and I want to be able to focus on part of the database over here without having to scroll to the chart back to the database, especially if it's a huge database, just take a selection of it, a snapshot, and then copy it, convert it to a picture, and then go ahead and move that picture over part of the chart or next to it. And then of course any changes you make here, it'll automatically update that in the picture here. And also, if part of the labels here are not included in the chart, well, you can include them from the snapshot. So to go ahead and use the camera feature, you want to come up here and right-click to customize the Quick Access toolbar, change it from Popular to go to All Commands, scroll down until you see the C's, and there's the camera, select it, double-click on it to add it over to the right. So when we click OK, it's up here on the Quick Access toolbar. Now, when it comes to selecting a range of cells to convert to a picture, a linked picture, back to this range, you cannot do multiple selections. You can't go ahead and select one range, hold down the Control key and select another. Excel doesn't like that. So if I want to go ahead and get these essential oils with their price, then the only thing that I think I can do is to come up here and hide these two columns. Go ahead and right-click on the two columns, go down to Hide, and it brings them together. Then I can go ahead and click and drag and select the range of cells, a contiguous range that the camera feature is okay with because the other two columns are hidden in between. So once I have them selected, come up here, click on the camera, you get the marching ants. Also, you'll see that my pointer has turned into a black cross there. Just go ahead and click off in a blank area and boom, there you go. It's got a copy in a picture format. You can see it's outlined like a picture. Also, you have the related contextual tab, Picture Tools. In any case, before we get to that, any changes that I make over here, 50, hit Enter, automatically updates the picture. So I can take that picture and move it around, move it over another picture, a report, charts, or include it in a dashboard. And because it's a picture, I can actually hover over one of the handles, click and drag and stretch it open, make the font larger, that's cool. Also, formatting, I can come up here to the Adjust group, click on the color drop-down arrow, and choose if I want those lines to appear, just like you see in the spreadsheet. Of course, because it's a picture, the font's going to look a little bit fuzzy. So maybe in some cases, let's see, about black and white 50% looks a little bit sharper. Ooh, 75%, chuzzy. Go ahead and select it. Looks pretty good. Click off in a blank area. If I still don't like the outline, I can select it. Come up here to the Format tab, Picture Styles group, click on the border drop-down arrow. I mean, pretty much the things we went over in earlier training videos when it came to working with our pictures and objects, and then go down to No Outline. Click off in a blank area. Now, you ought to know that when it comes to the picture here, the picture does not like leaving the home, and its home is on the worksheet here, Sheet 1. It won't go to a different workbook, and it won't go to another worksheet. Go ahead and try it. Select it, Control-C to copy it, come to Worksheet 2, Control-V as in Victor to paste it. Oh, sure, you could paste the skeleton of it, but the data is not going to be linked and coming back with it. It doesn't like it, so I'll go ahead and delete it. But you can go ahead and Control-V as in Victor to paste it again within the same worksheet. And if you make any changes here, it updates both. So keep it within the same worksheet there. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.